Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2M Family. I hope you all are doing well. Well, today I'm going to show you an easy way of making garlic bread at home. And to do this recipe, let's go and start it. And to begin with, let's take a bread baguette. Now let's cut this horizontally. Let's give a thick cut. Now let's peel some garlic. Using of garlic is an individual choice. You can use garlic as much as you require. I'm using 1 pot of garlic for 1 bread baguette. So here I've got some salted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, you will need some salt to add to this. Now let's cut the garlic very fine. So once we have finely chopped this garlic, now I'm going to add directly into the butter. And to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. These are dry chili flakes and this is optional as well. Now I'm going to add some oregano. A little bit of mixed herbs. And here I'm going to use finely chopped coriander. You can use parsley instead if you don't like to use coriander. Now let's give a good mix. So butter garlic is ready now. Our breads are ready. And this is the baking tray that I have. I've already put a parchment paper on top. What we're going to do is just take the butter and the bread and just spread it on top. To grill this garlic bread, preheat your oven for 180 degrees and then grill it for 5 to 7 minutes. Friends, our garlic bread is ready now. Enjoy this with your family. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching our vlog, and if you really like watching our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.